Government warns against unlawful activities ahead of planned July 31 protests. Zarabina mashoko kubuda panguva ino ichiona kuti panguva ino government yoya ichipa mawarnings. Panguva ino iri serious ichiti vakomana regerai maprotest amurira kuita musi wa 31 July anoonekwa kunzi they are against cap 3. Don't forget subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Obdanjira chiti Minister of Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage Honorable Kazimbe Kazembo says law enforcement agencies are on high alert and prepared to respond to any act that threatens public safety ahead of the planned July 31 protest. Panguva inoi ZVC ndoiri kutaura mashoko ava toona kuti people that are being threatened vese varuda kuita maprotest. Tivina macomment vanhu vanobuda vanyora chiti rubbish, you have reduced it to a banana republic. Hence, you have unilaterally and underhandedly repealed Section 59 of our Constitution. Not even a single person is allowed to protest against your government, even if all the procedural requirements are complied with. Mwano pinonyera chiti Zimbabwe achitega the MOAH and also President mnangagwa know what peaceful protests are. You have totally shut Zimbabweans from saying anything. This is the dictatorship, and the only answer is protest with or without police clearance. We are tired and want you out. Anachiti hashtag ZANPF must go. Anachiti SABC News or BBC Africa. This is where you see a village boy in a leadership position. He can't distinguish between a peaceful demonstration and a hunutsa tunza. So he will unleash vicious police force, denying citizens the right to protest. If diasporans cannot raise funds to hire international military groups to fight guns with guns to bring civil government, this brutal military state, Zimbabwe will continue oppressing our people forever. Toma developments are good panguva inoi. Bila comment section medu zafura any more today pamsoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like up on the bell icon.